Can we block restaurants we dislike? Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering, is it possible or not today in this video, we are going to find out. So let's just get started. So, for example, if you're using any kind of application such as Uber Eats or DoorDash while you are ordering your food for delivery process, and if you're trying to block restaurants, there is unfortunately no such method. So, generally, no feature to outright block restaurants on food delivery apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash, as I told. However, you can decline orders from specific restaurants to train the app to stop you sending offers from them. So, what you can do is when you have received an order from a restaurant you dislike, you can decline it. While this might slightly affect your accepted rate, repeatedly declining orders from the same restaurant can signal to the app that you're not interested in their offers. Some users report this method works better than letting the order time out, as letting it time out might lead to the app suggesting the same order again and again. So you can follow up the step. You just need to open up the app, and if there is any kind of offer available, you can decline it until the app itself detects that you're not no longer interested in that particular restaurant. Otherwise, you can create a mental note of favorite restaurants. So within the application, if there is any kind of favorite feature to mark the restaurants you enjoy, you can just go ahead and use that feature, and that will allow you to easily scroll through your preferred options and filter out the ones that you dislike. And there are other options like app support. You can just basically go ahead and report contacting the app support and requesting block specific restaurants. While not always successful, you can always give it a try and see if that works. And also let us know in the comments if it does. Another thing is you can adjust the delivery area. If you're consistently receiving offers from restaurants in inconvenient way or locations, you might consider adjusting your delivery area settings, and that way also you will be getting less offers from that particular restaurants that you're trying to avoid. If you're having a negative experience with the restaurant, you can also provide feedback through the application. While that does not block the restaurant, it can help you improve the app's recommendations in that way. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method and let us know if that worked. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.